Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. So today we're gonna talk about the new Samsung S23, and yes, it's already the time to talk about the newest flagship from Samsung, and it is never too early for some rumors. So let's see some of these rumors and let's see how it could be the new Samsung S23. It will not be revolutionary, we can say. So talking about design, it will be very similar to the S22 Ultra. So that kind of a design with no camera bump in the back, and it will be also applied for the S23 and S23 Plus, and of course the S23 Ultra. And of course it will share some characteristics of those screens. So the screen will be 2K, of course, and it can support the LTPO panel. It can go from 1 Hz to 120, and by doing that it can just save some battery. For the size of these phones, they will be pretty much the same one as standard of Samsung, but in my opinion they will not have the camera bump in the back. They will be like a little bit thicker, but of course that's only my opinion. Talking about the front of the screen, there are some rumors telling that it will have like a bigger area on the screen where you can just unlock your phone with the ultrasonic fingerprint reader. And the ultrasonic fingerprint reader, it's already the fastest one that you can find on the market right now. If it will have some bigger area on the screen, it will be pretty much unbeatable. Then talking about performance, you can see that online we can find some benchmark results, and I don't know if they are official or maybe not, they are only rumors. The scores are taken by a new CPU from Snapdragon, so it will be of course the newest Snapdragon version, the Gen 2, and it will be produced at 4 nanometers, so that will be very good for the battery efficiency. And the score is not too bad. I mean, it is nothing revolutionary, but it is pretty good. I only hope that it will be very power efficient. And talking always about this new Snapdragon processor, some rumors says that Samsung finally could stop the division, we can say, of their devices in Exynos devices and Snapdragon devices. So this year we can have the Snapdragon version only, also here where I live, so in Europe, because usually here we get the Exynos version, and it is not my favorite one, if I have to say it, because it does have a lot of bugs. I mean, it is a little bit more power efficient, but the phone, it is kinda slower compared to the Snapdragon version. I don't know if it's only my opinion, but the benchmark also says that the Exynos version, it is just not optimized like the Snapdragon. Of course, it will be available with the newest version of Android and the newest version also of the One UI. But the most important feature, of course, it is the camera right now. So on the S23 Ultra, we could have the 200 megapixel sensor, and it will have like a bigger sensor too. So it will be very interesting if they make it work it very good, but it is very hard to make a 200 megapixel sensor work very good. And also someone says that in the front facing camera we can have a revolution, we can say. Probably Samsung this year will switch from 10 megapixel of front facing camera to 12 megapixel. So this is the big news, but it is not that big of a change, but it is something positive, so better than nothing. Of course, we don't have any date yet or any price, but we can just imagine that the release date could be at the Q1 of 2023, of course, like always, and they will present these new smartphones in January or February. And for the prices, I think they will be the same one as the S22 lineup, because I mean, I think we reach kind of the top of the prices. I mean, I just hope that they don't go higher than this, because they are pretty ridiculous, but we will see when they come out. Anyway, these were some news about the newest Samsung S23. If you are interested into the topic, just let me know it down below in the comments. And also, if you did like this video, just hit a like button down below because it's free. And also, what is free? Click the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, because I mean, it's free too. And of course, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.